Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be like, I guess I would call it a part 2 of the perm rod series. So last video I did a twist and curl with some perm rods, and I did a flat twist going down and a two strand twist with perm rods on the top. Now today is going to be a remake of a video I think I did in 2017, but with my short hair. So I don't know, I am going to try to redo that look on short hair. I don't know how it's going to come out, but fingers crossed that it comes out right. All right, so today I will be featuring my hydrotherapy mist that I have been raving about. We will also be going in with the J.Antoinette Moisture Repair Elixir. You guys know that this was a staple, so I'm going to try to stick to the previous video. Well, the video that I'm redoing, I'm going to try to stick to it as much as possible, but with using new products. So we'll be using the J.Antoinette Moisture Repair Elixir, and I will be going in with the J.Antoinette Moisture Repair Cream, just like how I did in the other video. Alright guys, so today I will be featuring 2 new products to go along with this perm rod set. So the last video I used the main choice, the setting mousse, the pink lemonade and coconut mousse. Well, I was going to do that today until I went to Sally's I think a couple of days ago, and they were having a 25% off all hair care products. And that's normally where I would go to get the main choice or, you know, my other hair products. And I saw a brand that I have been watching for a while, finally in the Sally's by my house, and that is the Dew. So let's see, the Dew, French for soft, smooth, or sweet, developed by a professional hairstylist for smart chicks who want real results without the hype. Now, I've been watching this brand for a while. I follow the owner on Instagram as well as the hair care line. And so this is their texture foam high definition control mousse. And this is their Swagoo edge control gel. Now, these 2 products were actually a little bit more expensive than the main choice, and I was going to go with the main choice until I found out that it was 25% off. So I said, you know what, let me try out the Dew since I've been following them for a while. And it's really important for me to support Black-owned businesses. So I don't have a problem. Yes, I am a business owner. I am a Black hair care product line owner, but these products I don't carry. So when I need them, I am definitely going to reach for a product line that is Black owned. We got to keep it in the family. All right, guys. So let's get into this look. All right.
All right, beauties, I'm having a little breakout here, so excuse me while I, have a little bit of frustration. And here I am doing a little length check. I'm excited about some growth. So I'm going in with the Moisture Repair Hydrotherapy Mist, and I am just saturating my hair, making sure it's nice and wet and soft and ready for this perm rod set. So I'm going to massage that into the hair. I'm going to add some of the Moisture Repair Elixir onto my hair. And then I'm separating my hair in sections. I'll be separating my hair in sections, applying the Moisture Repair Elixir, going in with the Moisture Repair Cream. These are the 4 different size rods I'm using. And then I will go in with the high definition mousse, and I'm going to set my hair with the rods. So I'm starting off with the smallest rods first, which is the yellow ones. Then I will go to the pink ones, and then the blue ones, and then finally the white ones. Alright, so I know you guys see me keep looking over to the left. Honey, I am watching this Beyonce Netflix film and I am getting down. So that's what I'm doing. I know you're like, what is this girl doing? Honey, I was jamming to this Beyonce, to her performance at Coachella. It was a really good film. And this is like 2 o'clock in the morning, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm sitting here filming this doggone Perm rod set. So excuse me, I was on like 10 with this music. Alright, ladies, so it is time for the takedown. So I am taking it out the opposite way in which it was twisted. So there you go. I guess you call that what, counterclockwise? I don't know. But whatever way it was twisted, I'm going opposite that. So I'm winding it in the opposite way. And there you have, look at that spring. Watch when it springs. And spring. But yeah, so I'm going to take everything down. Once I am done taking all the rods out, I am going to separate them like 4 to 5 times. I didn't want to do it too much because the hair wasn't as firm. So my hair was really, really soft. So I didn't want to separate it too much where it would frizz out in the end. So you're going to see me separate it like 4 to 5 times max to get that volume and keep my definition. Here is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I really, really love how my hair came out. All right, so it's not hard at all. My hair is still very, very, very soft, which I think because I'm natural and it's very humid in South Florida, this is not gonna last long, okay? This is probably going to be shrunken, if not by tomorrow,
the next day because it's extremely soft. So it could be the cream and the oil. So maybe the main choice mousse has a little bit more of a stronger hold because I know that gets really hard. But yeah, I love the results. Oh my god, the shine in my hair is absolutely gorgeous. Definition is on point. I'm surprised, like, I don't have barely any frizz, and I separated these curls a lot. So I am very pleased with that. It does say that it is a texture foam, a high definition control mousse. I definitely got some high definition, honey, because last time I got a lot of frizz when I did my twist and curl. But this right here, and I fluffed the roots just a little bit just because I did not want a lot of frizz. I wanted this look to be more about definition, which I definitely got. So I'm not worried about the volume because this look is not for volume. But honey, you guys gotta let me know what you think. My hair is growing so much. Look at that. It is growing a lot. I'm so excited. I can't wait to be able to put this hair in a ponytail. Okay? But yeah, definitely, I love this look. I love this look. I don't know. I don't want it to shrink though. That's the only thing. I wish it was a little bit harder so it wouldn't shrink because I know this thing is going to shrink to like my head. That's what happens because just the humidity is crazy and I have to make sure that my hair is moist. But my hair feels so good, guys. Oh my god. It is so absolutely soft. It is so freaking soft. I love the results. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I love it. I love it. Of course, you guys know that I used my Moisture Repair Elixir and my Moisture Repair Cream before I went in. And I think that combo was a really good combo. Alright guys, so give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe if you liked this video and leave a comment letting me know if you liked this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any more looks you'd like to see me do with my hair, honey, let me know also in the comments below. Alright guys, you guys have an amazing week and I will talk to you guys later. Until then, stay beautiful. Bye bye.